Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to teach you how to reinstall Roblox. So first go to your computer search. Here search for add or remove programs and you should get this setting here, system settings. From here you want to search the list, simply type Roblox and uninstall however many instances of Roblox you have. Now that we have uninstalled all instances, just click on OK and close out of this. Next up, open up your computer search yet again, and here I want you to type %local app data % and click enter. From here you have to find the Roblox folder, so simply click on whichever folder you want, type R and try to locate Roblox. We have this folder right here, so we simply want to delete it. Okay, now after we have done this, just empty your recycle bin, restart your PC, and then after your PC has been restarted, you can go to the Roblox website, open up a random game, doesn't really matter which one. No matter which game you pick, it will detect that Roblox is no longer installed on your PC. Okay, so now you should get this message, download and install Roblox. It detects that we don't have Roblox installed, so simply download this, click on the launcher, and boom, Roblox is successfully installed. Okay, thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Goodbye.